सवाल है हमारी जो ड्यूटी है रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करने की, फाइनेंशियल जो स्ट्रेंथ है उसको चेक करने की। वो कोशिश करते हैं कि हम ठीक ठाक रहे और सब लोग स्मूथली बिजनेस मीटिंग अटेंड करें। लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट यही है कि लोग आएँ, लोग और नए दोस्तों को लेके आएँ ताकि हमारी ये फैमिली दिन पर दिन बड़ी होती जाए। जितनी बड़ी फैमिली होगी उतना गेट टुगेदर्स भी अच्छा होगा, और जब गेट टुगेदर अच्छा होगा तो बिजनेस खुद ब खुद होने लगेगा। बाकी मैं संजय जी को देता हूँ फर्दर फिर आगे बात करेंगे। थैंक यू
सर। हम लोग को हमें ना लोगों से उनका रिन्यूअल भी जल्दी कराना है, आपका काम वो भी है। ओके, ओवर टू प्रीति जी।
So let's begin with our next ritual. We generally ask everybody to shuffle, but today let's not get into that. And what I will do is, I see not equally people are seated, so I'll just call out a few names and you can just come forward. Uttam ji, सामने आइए ना।
इंजरी बैठे हैं।
Shubhankar, why are you there? Shamil ji, yes, please. Just see it for Shamil ji, you can come to that table. Here, Dolly, how many are there? Table
हाँ, इसलिए यहाँ पड़ा।
Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay. Okay. Vivek ji is back and I welcome him for his duty to take on to the presentation on the laptop so that we do not miss out on our presentations here. Okay, with that we start. You have 3 minutes where you will interact with each other, but with a difference. Today we have a game and whoever is giving 2 reference on spot to anyone here in the room, and let us know how many. If you can give more than 2, it's more than welcome.
Say it again.
2 referral you have to give to the people either on your table or somewhere here in the room. So that is a game. Anybody who can give more, it's more than welcome. So that is one game that you have to do while you are interacting. You get to know whoever is there on your table and then you pass the reference. If you think you finished with your table, you can go to the next table and talk. Not an issue. Today you have, yes, today you can move around it. And 30 seconds. Yeah, once the 3 minutes is over, we'll give 30 seconds to each table and you choose one person who will talk about everybody on that table. Am I clear? Yeah?
We give reference or we get?
You give and get both. So start interacting and make a good note, because when you pass the referral, when you will come for your 30-second introduction, then also you will be announcing that which member have you passed the referral to. Okay, your time starts now.
हाँ, नहीं, वो बोल देना, Sorry? No, you have to give reference to anyone over here. हाँ, ऐसे you can tell ना. If you want, you can give me I say I'll give it.
You can move around if you want. You can move and interact.
Tell them ना. अच्छा, अपने बारे में बोलना है. Introduce yourself. हाँ, वही. अच्छा, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, ठीक है? Hello, myself Sharun Bengani. I am into Nimbula. मैं बता देती हूँ कि हम कुछ करेंगे. तो बोलेंगे ना. लाइफ कोच guidance for any guidance concerning your life, relationship, anything like guidance. And also I teach so you can manage your students as well as people around you.
দাদা একটু
Your name, Anirudh Chaitanya. Into
एरिया में सिग्नल मिल ही नहीं रहा क्लिक जल्दी नो सिग्नल तार लगाया है
he's also a very,
एरिया में तो तार खुला हुआ है वहाँ तो लिख रहा है नो सिग्नल वहाँ देखिए नीचे नो सिग्नल है ये तो इसका है ये पावर का एरिया का तो तार खुला हुआ है
So, hope all of you are done with your interactions, table interactions. Shall we start? Let's start with the last table. The table where Bindu ji and Gopal ji, they are there. Who is going to introduce that table?
बंद कर दे कोई फायदा नहीं है हम
Bindu ji, will you be introducing
बंद
your
कर दो
table?
कोई फायदा नहीं अब टाइम खत्म है अभी इसके पीछे पड़ के प्रोग्राम लेट करके फायदा नहीं लेट मत कर बंद
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं बिंदु खेतान।
डिस्टर्ब
मेरे
कुछ
टेबल
ले
पे
नहीं
3 मेरे साथी बैठे हैं। सबसे पहले गोपाल अग्रवाल जी जो हमारे पुराने मेंबर हैं, इनका प्रॉपर्टी का काम है। वो जहाँ भी आपको प्रॉपर्टी की जरूरत हो,
Everybody,
एक मिनट
please pay attention and listen to what Bindu ji is saying.
गोपाल अग्रवाल जी का प्रॉपर्टी का काम है। आपको कलकत्ता में या कलकत्ता से बाहर कहीं भी कोई प्रॉपर्टी की जरूरत हो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा डील देंगे और आपको अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी दिलाएंगे। और मेरे राइट साइड में श्यामल पारू जी बैठे हैं। श्यामल पारू जी बैठे हैं। इनका HR ऑडिट का काम है, जो मुझे पूरा समझ नहीं आया वो आपको खुद एक्सप्लेन एम्प्लॉय रिटेंशन का काम है। रिटेंशन का काम करते हैं। आपकी कंपनी में अगर बहुत सारे लोग काम करते हैं और उनके लिए उनकी सर्विस चाहिए तो आप श्यामल जी को कॉन्टैक्ट करिए। और ये हमारे गेस्ट है रणवीर दास जी, ये फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ आए हैं, हमारे विजिटर है और होपफुली वो हमारे मेंबर भी बनेंगे। इनकी लिटिल लक्स काइंडर राइड बुल की कंपनी है और बेल्टिंग स्ट्रीट पे इनका शॉप है, गोरान साइकिल कंपनी, और इनका होलसेल का काम है। तो आपके बच्चों के लिए आपको कोई भी गाड़ी, प्रैम, वॉकर कुछ भी चाहिए तो आप इनसे कांटेक्ट करिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और मैं बिंदु खेतान हूँ, मोतीलाल ओसवाल की फ्रेंचाइजी हूँ, इक्विटी मार्केट में लास्ट 24 साल से हूँ। आपको अपने पैसों को बढ़ाना है सेफली तो आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Bindu ji. Please pass on to the next table. Vivek, why are you sitting all by yourself?
विवेक विवेक बोल इधर आ जाओ।
Vivek, आप भी आप दो विवेक हैं. Please select a table for yourself.
भैया काम नहीं है तो ऑफ करवा दीजिए इसको, इसका आवाज आ रहा है। इसी को चापने से बंद नहीं ना, नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो फिर ऑफ कर दीजिए।
Anirudh ji, please come.
Hello, you. How are you? Happy New Year, everybody. Please be quiet. I'm speaking. So, Vipha Chawla हमारे साथ हैं. She's a makeup beauty artist for any kind of makeup and for any weddings. You can contact her. She'll just make you another, marriageable age. बना देंगी बिल्कुल. Then you can have a lot of affairs. So please contact her. I'm the first client right now, so I'm going to get myself. Yeah, fair category, absolutely. And मोदी जी के बारे में जितना बोलो उतना कम है। यहाँ उन्हीं की वजह से हैं।
नहीं ना बंद।
तो हमारी लाइफ भी पढ़ाएंगे, उम्र भी पढ़ाएंगे और हमारे स्टार्स को भी ठीक करेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे। One package for everything. You don't need to go anywhere. Whether it is astrology, numerology, face reading, tarot, name, number, anything, just contact her blindfoldedly. And then we have Govinda ji for FLB.
देखा इतना बात आने से ऐसे ही होता है।
बात आने से यही होता है।
जिसको याद कर रहे हैं वो भी तो बात
सही बात है।
चलिए ठीक है, यही ले लेती हूँ ना। मिसेस
मिसेस रविंदर है।
And everybody knows that I provide manpower, so if anybody needs, I can contact me. Thank you so much.
वो विवाह के पास गई नहीं, उसके पहले याद
भाई इतना अफेयर मत करवाना हाँ। फिर मेरे पास आना पड़ेगा एक्स्ट्रा।
गुड फॉर यू।
Okay, happy new year to each and every member. Happy new year. And I hope ये साल बहुत बहुत अच्छा जाए सबका। Anyway, reference के बारे में मैं बोलती हूँ। जितेंद्र को I will give a reference for cake, जितेंद्र. And I have given her the business also on 31st December 2025. शुभांगी को इस बार तो मुझे देना ही है, ठीक है? अच्छा, Protoy has given me a reference, but I will connect him to my junior. संजय बगड़िया जी, I have little needy women, कुछ है needy, they are very needy, तो I will connect them. आप प्लीज उनको मोदी केयर के बारे में समझा के उन लोग को अगर कुछ उनका उपाय कर सके तो I will be very grateful to you. अच्छा, उत्तम जी को already I have spoken regarding one of my client, वो रेफरल आपको मैं दे दूंगी. And जूली को सेल्फ रेफरेंस बिकॉज इट वॉज अ पेंडिंग, जूली सेल्फ, तो ये है मेरा रेफरेंस. नाउ आई एम इन अ वेरी सीरियस टेबल राइट नाउ. सीरियस टेबल मतलब द पीपल अराउंड मी आर वेरी सीरियसली एंड दे आर वेरी मच deep concern for their business. Like I never knew about Lavanya. That Lavanya I thought is only representing Lakshya. But नहीं, मेरे को पता नहीं था, right? मुझे पता नहीं था. But now she has told me. Now she has told me she is actually connected with the social media where you can bring your business on visibility. It can be any platform on the social base. And apart from that, she is in a networking group. So anyone wants to grow their business, please do connect Lavanya for that. Now we have Uttam Ji. Uttam Ji has his own company, BB Enterprise, where he has actually like concern of registration of registration. जहाँ पे if anyone is concerned, please connect him for the Dubai property. Anyone for the investment, please connect Mr. Uttam Ji for that. And then we have Dolly Ji. Dolly Ji has converted her business from a export to a karigari. Now I have been to her shop and I've seen the product. Each and every product is very premium quality. And
Nima ji, please speed up.
Yeah, that's a lot of time. Okay, and then I have Shubhangi. Shubhangi is actually in accessories and any type of accessories in the way of watch, chain, juta, everything can be. Anyone can purchase for Shubhangi, and Prutta is actually in a LinkedIn profile. So anyone of you who do not have the profile, please do connect Prutta for it. And myself, Shamima Khatun, as you all know, I'm actually an advocate by profession. So I will give much more introduction and I'll come for 30 seconds. Thank you.
They are left now, Vivek.
Vivek Poddar and Vivek Shukla did not find a table for themselves. पीछे बस बैठे बैठे हैं, so please अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ. इंट्रो नहीं देना, 30 सेकंड इंट्रो नहीं देना, सिर्फ
एक के बारे में
जो बोलना विवेक से बोला दिल से नहीं.
हाँ मैं खुद से ही बोलूँगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Hello everyone, Happy New Year. So we have a guest and an ex-member also, Vivek Shukla ji. He is into tech solution. इनको बहुत रेफरल मिला था, फिर भी पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए थे. अभी भी इनसे ही काम करवा रहे हैं. मैंने इनको अपना लैपटॉप भी बोला है ठीक करा दो. And myself Vivek Poddar, I'm into LED lighting and home solution for all kinds of lighting that you need. Decorative or anything.
Thank you.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सभी को. और जैसा कि विवेक जी ने बताया, मेरे को अभी भी बिजनेस मिलता है एलयू मेंबर से, तो उसमें दो चीज साबित होता है कि यहाँ के मेंबर्स बहुत अच्छे और मेरा काम भी बहुत अच्छा है, ऊपर वाले के आशीर्वाद. और गुड इवनिंग. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत दिन बाद इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिल रहे हैं. तो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. लक्ष्य जी ने बोला कि मिलना है तो मुझे ठीक है, मैं पैसे खर्च करके भी आपसे मिलने के लिए रेडी हूँ. थैंक यू.
So now we move on with the next, and which is the very interesting. Will this work?
No.
Julie ji, you'll be able to manage it.
Yeah. No
Okay, so we have a very exciting as we start. Whoever have been here for more than a year, they know we start the new year with our own Julie ji's predictions to give us a insight and guideline as to how the year is going to be.
So thank you. So yes, this is the year 2026. आप सबको पता है नए साल की शुरुआत है, and this year total अगर आप करें तो आता है 1. कैसे? 2 + 0 + 2 + 6 is 1. So number 1, जैसे सबको पता है कि it's a number of to start, to begin something, to start afresh. So it's a very good period for each one of us to start something new, because ये साल का मतलब अगर ऐसे पकड़े अपने कि 2017 and 2025 was a 9 years chapter, right? तो वैसे ये न्यूमरोलॉजिकली ये फर्स्ट ईयर है, तो अभी 8 साल और जाना है अपने को. 9 years का आपका फेज रहेगा. तो इस साल अगर आप कुछ स्टार्ट करते हो, इट्स लाइक प्लांटिंग ऑफ द सीड. तो आपके पास टाइम है कि आप ये 9 साल बहुत अच्छा निकाल सकते हो, एंड यू कैन लिटरली मेक योरसेल्फ, मतलब यू कैन रीच stars also. So this is the best period, the best year to start something new. If you are being thinking of something, तो प्लीज ये साल बहुत अच्छा है, आप लोग स्टार्ट करिए, बिगिन समथिंग न्यू. ओके, सो 2026 जैसे मैंने बोला, तो अभी आप सबके सामने लेटर पैड्स हैं जो बिल्कुल ब्लैंक है, राइट? पेन भी है साथ में, तो यू कैन स्टार्ट राइटिंग अ न्यू चैप्टर फॉर योरसेल्फ. सो आई विल बी गाइडिंग यू, बट मैं गाइड करूंगी आज डेट ऑफ बर्थ के हिसाब से, तो यू कैन नोट डाउन. जो मैं बताऊंगी आज मैं रेमेडीज दूंगी और लकी एलिमेंट्स क्या क्या है आप लोगों के लिए एज पर योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, वो आप नोट कर लेना, ठीक है? या सब एकदम आराम से. सो ये मैं यूनिवर्सल ईयर, मतलब जैसे हम लोग 1 जैसे मैंने बोला, तो ये सब पे इम्पैक्ट करेगा इक्वली. बट पर्सनल ईयर के हिसाब से अलग होता है, जो मैंने लास्ट ईयर बताया था, तो उसके लिए आपको मेरे से सेशन लेना होगा फॉर पर्सनल गाइडेंस. आज मैं जो बात कर रही हूँ वो मैं एज अ होल सबके लिए बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. अच्छा, एक चीज और बता देती हूँ, सिंस ये ईयर नंबर 1 पे आ रहा है तो कुछ डेट्स में बताऊंगी जिसका इम्पैक्ट बहुत अच्छा रहेगा अगर आप उस दिन उस मंथ मतलब मंथली बताऊंगी, अगर आप कुछ काम करते हो दैट विल हैव मोर इम्पैक्ट, ठीक है। सो द डेट्स आर मंथ वाइज अगर मैं बताती हूँ तो आपको ये नोट करना है कि मंथ वाइज जो डेट का एंडिंग 1 पे आता है एज अ होल, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिसका वाइब्रेशन आएगा जैसे 1-9, जैसे 9 हो गया, जैसे ये जनवरी का, तो जनवरी 9 इज वेरी गुड बिकॉज 9 + 1 इज कमिंग टू 10, दैट इज 1 बिकॉज जनवरी इज अ मंथ 1, फेब्रुअरी इज 2, मार्च इज 3, समझ में आ रहा है। तो उसी हिसाब से अगर आप कोई भी नंबर को टोटल करते हो मंथली जिसका टोटल 1 पे आता है तो दैट डेट बिकम्स मोर पावरफुल फॉर यू, ठीक है। तो मंथ वाइज मैं रैंडमली नंबर बोले जा रही हूँ, डेट्स आप नोट करते जाओ, ठीक है। तो जनवरी का मैं बता देती हूँ, सो दैट इज 9, 18, 27, ठीक है। फिर फरवरी में आते हैं तो हो जाए आएगा 8, 17, 26, ठीक है। मार्च इज 7, 16, 25, April is 6, 15, 24, May है 5, 14, 23, फिर आ गया जून, जून का है 4, 13, 22, then July is 3, 12, 21, 30, August 2, 11, 20, 29, September is 1, 10, 19, 28, October is 9, 18, 27, November is 8, 17, 26, देन दिसंबर में आ गया आपका 7, 16 एंड 25, ठीक है। तो ये सब मंथ्स में ये जो डेट्स मैंने बोले हैं दिस बिकम्स मोर पावरफुल, मैनिफेस्ट अच्छा होगा तो यू कैन वर्क ऑन दिस डेज ऑल्सो। नाउ कमिंग टू द रेमेडीज एंड द लकी एलिमेंट्स, सो दिस विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेट ऑफ बर्थ। सो पीपल बोर्न ऑन 1st, 10th, 19 and 28 of any month they fall into the category of number 1, ठीक है। तो उनके लिए क्या है, इस साल अगर आप गायत्री मंत्र चैंट करते हो एवरी डे ऑन अ डेली बेसिस, दिस विल ब्रिंग इन क्लैरिटी एंड इनर स्ट्रेंथ आपके लिए। सो गायत्री मंत्र का चैंटिंग करिए, डोनेट व्हीट और जैगरी ऑन संडेज टू एनहांस प्रॉस्पेरिटी। संडेज को आप गेहूं या फिर आप गुड़ का दान कर सकते हो। लकी कलर्स आपके लिए रहेगा रेड एंड गोल्ड फॉर दिस ईयर। लकी नंबर कलर रेड एंड गोल्ड एंड लकी नंबर्स हैं 1 and 9 फॉर दिस ईयर एंड द डेज आर संडे एंड मंडे, ठीक है। नाउ कमिंग टू नंबर 2, द पीपल बोर्न ऑन 2, 11, 20 and 29 ऑफ एनी मंथ बिलोंग्स टू नंबर 2। तो उनके लिए है दे हैव टू चैंट ओम नमः शिवाय, ठीक है, रेगुलरली फॉर इनर पीस। ये आपको करना, आपका मंत्र चैंटिंग ये है। डोनेट मिल्क और व्हाइट स्वीट्स ऑन मंडेज टू एनहांस हार्मनी। सफेद चीज का दान कीजिए, जैसे मैंने बोला मिठाई हो सकती है, सफेद मिल्क हो सकता है, दही भी हो सकता है, चीनी भी हो सकता है, तो ये आप डोनेट करो मंडेज को। लकी कलर आपके लिए है व्हाइट एंड सिल्वर फॉर दिस ईयर। लकी नंबर है 2 and 7 and lucky days are Monday and Friday, right? Moving to number 3, so people born on 3, 12, 21 and 30, you should chant Om Brihaspataye Namaha, regularly chant करना है आपको, and especially every Thursday अगर आप करते हो तो this will strengthen your Jupiter, जिसका blessings आपको मिलेगा। And you should donate yellow fruits, turmeric or clothes to the needy। येलो फ्रूट्स या टर्मरिक या फिर येलो कपड़ा क्लोथ्स टू द नीडी पीपल। लकी कलर आपके लिए है येलो एंड पर्पल। लकी नंबर है 3 and 6 And lucky days are Thursday and Sunday.
Days बताओ.
Sorry? Lucky days, Thursday and Saturday. Now, sorry, Thursday and Sunday. Now coming to the number 4, the people born on 4, 13, 22 and 31 belongs to the category 4. तो उनके लिए है, you should chant हनुमान चालीसा every Tuesday. Daily करो तो बहुत अच्छा, but Tuesday जरूर करो. Donate blankets or footwear to the needy. तो आप blankets या फिर जूते चप्पल दान कर सकते हो. And lucky colors for you are blue, grey, blue and grey are very lucky for you. And lucky numbers are 4 and 8. Lucky days are Saturday and Wednesday. ठीक है? Now moving to number 5. People born on 5, 14 or 23rd of any month should chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. ठीक है? On Wednesdays, but you can do it on a regular basis also. Donate green vegetables to cows. अगर गाय को खिला सको तो ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Or else you can donate the green vegetables to your home staffs or office staffs also. Lucky colors हो गया green and light blue. And lucky numbers are 5 and 9. And lucky days are Wednesday and Friday. Now number 6, people born on 6, 15 or 24 belongs to the number 6 category. So you should chant Om Shukrai Namaha. Om Shukrai Namaha. On Friday, स्पेशली फ्राइडे को तो करना ही है, बट डेली करो तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. और जो भी मैं चैंटिंग बोल रही हूँ वो 108 बार करना है अपने को, राइट? आई होप आप लोगों को ये पता है, 108 बार करना है. एंड डोनेट स्वीट्स और क्लोथ्स टू यंग गर्ल्स. यस, ये लड़कियों को देना है आपको, ठीक है? बच्चियों को देना है, या फिर इट कैन बी आपकी बहन बेटी को भी आप दे सकते हो. स्वीट्स एंड क्लोथ्स. एंड लकी कलर्स आर पिंक, वाइट, पिंक एंड वाइट. Lucky numbers are 3 and 6. And lucky days are Friday and Monday. Now moving to the next number, which is number 7. So people born on 7, 16 or 25 should chant Om Namah Shivaya daily. Om Namah Shivaya रोज आपको chant करना है 108 बार. And you should donate books or stationery to students. जितना students को आप दोगे उतना अच्छा. books दीजिए, stationery items दीजिए उनको. And lucky colors are violet and sea green. Lucky numbers are 7 and 2. Sea green, हाँ. And lucky days are Monday and Thursday. Now the next number is number 8. Monday, Thursday.
Numbers बता दो.
Numbers are 2 and 7. Now the next number is number 8. People born on 8, 17 and 26 belongs to this category. They should chant Shani Stotra on Saturdays, स्पेशली. एंड शनि जी का तो सैटरडे को ही करना है, आपको डेली नहीं करना है. आपको अगर डेली करना है तो आप हनुमान जी का चैंटिंग कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? एंड डोनेट ब्लैक क्लॉथ और मस्टर्ड ऑयल. सैटरडेज को आपको डोनेट करना है. लकी कलर्स है ब्लैक एंड नेवी ब्लू. लकी नंबर्स है 1 and 8. Lucky days है Saturdays and Tuesdays. Tuesday and Saturday are lucky for you. Now moving to the last number, which is number 9. People born on 9, 18 and 27 should chant Om Shri Hanumate Namaha. Om Shri Hanumate Namaha. On Tuesdays, डेली भी कर सकते हो, बट ट्यूसडे जरूर करिएगा. एंड इसके साथ सैटरडेज को भी करिए, वो भी अच्छा रहता है. Donate red flowers or food to the needy. Lucky color है red and maroon and avoid black, ठीक है? Lucky numbers हो गए 9 and 1 and lucky days are Tuesdays and Sundays. तो Tuesday and Sunday आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा. So I hope and wish you all the very best. ये जर्नी ये साल का बहुत अच्छा रहे आप सबके लिए. And personal guidance के लिए you can definitely connect with me. Thank you so very much. That can be
Julie ji just was simply amazing, huh? Everybody was amazing, either recording or writing. Correct? Very, very great.
And Sanjay ji was taking papers after the papers, जैसे examination hall में पहले supplement ले लो खत्म हो जाएगा.
लिख लो, huh? It's very interesting, and I think we must go and sit with her personally, huh? And take your personal guideline. That's better. Pay some money, it will work more. Because there is no free lunch, frankly.
Right.
So amazing, Julie ji, what a great start. We are blessed to have you in EVO family. एक ताली तो बनती है. And now our 30th starts, Preeti ji. So I again hand over to Preeti ji for this.
So I will call one by one. Please come up. We are not following the sequence today. We don't have our slides ready. So how about the backbenchers first? Vivek Poddar, please come up. Then Vivek Shukla. And then I'll start with अब 30 सेकंड मिलेगा बताना है
वापस से बोलो तो जितना बोलोगे उतना अच्छा है ना जो दिखता है वही
Please be ready.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, Vivek ji.
Once again, a very happy new year.
Happy New Year.
और I hope सबका साल अच्छा बीते पिछले वाले से.
Yes, thank you.
So as I introduce myself, मेरा business lighting का है. अगर आपके घर में किसी भी तरीके से रोशनी की कमी है, मुझे याद करिए, क्योंकि इस साल में अगर आपको प्रकाश चाहिए, you need me.
प्रकाश के लिए विवेक चाहिए.
नेक्स्ट विवेक शुक्ला जी. विवेक पोद्दार जी, आपने रेफरेंस दिया कुछ नहीं दिया?
Reference.
यस, आप दे दीजिए. क्विक.
मैं क्लिक करूँगा और गोपाल जी को दिया हुआ ही है.
ठीक है, गोपाल जी प्लीज मेक अ नोट एंड जूली जी प्लीज मेक अ नोट. सॉरी जितेंद्र जी, मेक अ नोट. विवेक जी इज गिविंग यू
बहुत अच्छा है जितेंद्र भी दे रहा है.
So then next Vibha, please come. After Vibha, Julie ji, then Jitendra ji and Anirudh ji.
Hello, good evening, all of you. I'm very happy to be back again. Thank you to Laksh and Julie. Like for them, I think I'm here. I'm Vibha Chawla, a beauty consultant and a bridal makeup artist since 16 years. And I had my salon and I had to shut it during COVID. So I am a veteran in this beauty field since 16 years, I said. And I'm tied up with a lot of event managers, and I have like a huge client base. And a destination weddings and all सब cater करती हूँ. Just got over अभी. It's a break time for me, so I'm very glad कि मैं जितना दिन अभी Feb तक मैं जितनी यहाँ active हो सकूँ. Then from Feb again the weddings will start. And one more thing, यहाँ पे male female सब हैं. So I cater to beauty consulting as well. So all the men out here, I have my friends जो मेरे से 15 साल से consult करते हैं, but I think men should also focus on their skincare, starting from the sunscreen to the proper face wash and all. So I'm all here to guide you all. So have a great year ahead. See you all.
Thank you.
I just came in today.
We hope you get back to us.
Yeah, definitely.
गोल्डन सनराइज एवरीवन. सो नए साल की शुरुआत अच्छे मतलब प्रिकॉशन से करना चाहिए. प्रिकॉशन इज बेटर देन क्योर. और चेंजेस भी जरूरी है लाइफ में. सो प्लीज विजिट मी, कम टू मी फॉर अ कंसल्टेशन एंड आई कैन गिव यू 100 गाइडेंस विद 100% क्लैरिटी विद टाइम टेस्टेड रेमेडीज एंड सोल्यूशंस. जो भी आपने देखी है एग्जाम्पल, पर पर्सनल लेवल में और अच्छे से गाइडेंस मिल सकता है. एंड यू कैन रेफर मी योर नियर एंड डियर वंस. As well as I teach certified courses भी करवाती हूँ. So anybody interested can join. So thank you. And yes, last month I gave business to Ashok ji and I received business from him as well. And Madhu Chandra को भी मैंने business दिया, but she is not here today. And reference to Jitendra ji and one to Vibha. Thank you.
कोई बात नहीं, माइक में हेल्प
Good evening, everyone. I hope everybody can listen. So I'm Jitendra Kaur. So I'm having personal petals in New Alipur. Order मुझे मिलते रहते हैं. अभी साल शुरू हो गया है. So I'm expecting more orders from all of you. देते रहिए. I'll keep on taking and delivering pan India. और आज ही मैंने रेफरेंस दिया है जूली जी को और लास्ट में बिजनेस दिया विवेक को और अभी I have just given to Madhu Chanda though she has not come today. So thank you for everything.
Any fresh reference other than for Julie ji?
आज ही मंदू चंदा.
Okay.
Thank you, your family. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Everybody knows I'm into HR. किसी को भी मैन पावर की जरूरत हो, so you can contact me.
दिन से आए नहीं, हम लोग भूल गए.
तो आपको जब भी चाहिए होगा मैन पावर मुझे याद कीजिए.
Any kind of manpower.
Any kind of manpower, corporate manpower, and I've also set up a cotton dyeing plant. We are dyeing cotton lycra and other kind of fabrics. It's basically job work. And given one referral to PTG, I'm just wanting to inform you in advance that I'm writing a book, and I'll be very glad that once it's launched by PTG, you all come and bless me for that. It should be launched.
अच्छा अनिरुद्ध ने तो मुझे business दिया था. And gave me business also, right? Last one.
Yeah, I keep on giving reference to PTG. She is an angel god. So,
Julie नहीं.
Yes, Gopal ji, please come.
न्यूमरोलॉजी कर ली. नहीं बदला ले रहे हैं. अपने नाम.
Next Bindu ji, and then
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Happy New Year. Myself, Gopal Agarwal. Hello, everybody. Apologies for missing few of the events. Like last time, it was a fantastic event, great, but somehow missed it. And we are into real estate consultancy. Any new project booking across Kolkata for any top developers, we can guide you. If in case wanted to book any of the new projects, we can give you comparative analysis. Apart from that, any residential commercial requirements, whether it is rental or resale properties across Kolkata. Apart from that, adding on warehousing requirements, we are also into auction asset recovery, in which I am working as North Kolkata Zonal Head for Auction Asset Recovery Department. Any auction related properties across Kolkata, we are working pan India. If anybody wanted to get the details, any requirement, anything, can contact us. Thank you so much. I have a thank you slip for Jitendra ji. Last month, I delivered one cake in Delhi. The feedback was excellent. Thank you so much. Thank you for the compliment.
any reference today?
Two I'll give to Bindu ji.
Next Bindu ji, please come. उसके बाद श्यामल जी.
हेलो माय ईवो फ्रेंड्स, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू.
Happy New Year.
मेरा नाम बिंदु खेतान है.
Hello बिंदु जी.
हेलो. मैं इक्विटी मार्केट में डील करती हूँ. मोतीलाल ओसवाल मेरी कंपनी का नाम है और इक्विटी एंड कमोडिटी मार्केट दोनों में हम लोग इक्वली डील करते हैं. मेरे पास 400 से अधिक क्लाइंट्स हैं और 2001 में मैं इक्विटी मार्केट से इंट्रोड्यूस हुई थी. अगर आप ट्रेडर हो या इन्वेस्टर हो, हमसे एसोसिएट कीजिए. हम लोग उनको इक्वली गुड सर्विस और गुड रिसर्च कॉल्स देंगे. हम अश्योर करते हैं आपको इसका. हमारी सर्विस में स्ट्रक्चर्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट भी शामिल है जो 2.5 लाख से स्टार्ट होता है और 1 करोड़ तक जाता है. एक सेकंड. मेरे क्लाइंट्स यहाँ पर संजय जी हैं जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस देते हैं और अशोक जी का भी मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट अच्छा इन्वेस्ट बढ़ाया है. और आज मैं रेफरेंस दूंगी अनिरुद्ध जी को और विवेक जी को मैंने रेफरेंस दिया था ओनली ड्यू टू जितेंद्र जी ने उनका थैंक यू स्लिप दिया था तो वो मुझे याद था और मैंने विवेक जी को अपना AMC 6-7 कंप्यूटर का देने वाली हूँ. आज ही मतलब मैंने उनको बोला मुझे मेल भेजो और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी हिम हियर. और अगर आप हमारे रेफरल एसोसिएट बन सकते हो और फिर एक्स्ट्रा इनकम आपके अकाउंट में आती रहेगी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
शुभ संध्या।
शुभ संध्या।
ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर तीनों का हम जानते हो ना। तो ब्रह्मा कौन है? एचआर का इधर अनिरुद्ध बैठा है। किसी को आदमी चाहिए तो ब्रह्मा वही है, लेकिन ब्रह्मा तो आदमी दे देगा, पालेगा और पालने का बाद निकला कोई काम ही ना निकलेगा। ये दोनों काम के लिए मेरे पास आई। तो मैं विष्णु का काम एंड शिव का काम दोनों काम करता है, बताया ना, स्तुति बताया ना। तो मेरे पास ब्रह्मा का काम के लिए उनका पास चाहिए। आप जैसे भी चाहिए, छोटे से धंधा से जहां तक देना है वो दे देगा आपको। फिर कॉर्पोरेट के लिए, घर के लिए मत सोचिए, एक चीज को रेक्टिफाई कर लीजिए। और मेरे पास भी वही है, घर का वो रामू को ठीक करना मेरा काम नहीं है। आपको कॉर्पोरेट में जो आदमी को पालना है, आई एम द रिटेंशन स्पेशलिस्ट। 40 इयर्स मेरा उम्र है, 20 साल 40 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है। ये 40 साल पे मैं पैन इंडिया में यही काम करके आ रहा है, जो आपका एमपी आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा। आप एचआर का बारे में आदमी समझता है, समझता कर सकता है। मेरा यही काम, आई एम द रिटेंशन स्पेशलिस्ट, जो ये मैं निश्चित करेगा आपको एम्प्लॉई आपको छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा। वो आप लोग पार्ट के मालूम है, लेकिन आज मेरा पास मालूम है, मैं वो चीज करता है। इसीलिए आपको आदमी चाहिए, ब्रह्मा उधर बैठे और उसको पालना पड़ेगा, मेरे पास चाहिए। धन्यवाद अंते शाम को अपना एचआर चलेगा। जय हिंद, जय बांग्ला, जय भारत। रेफरेंस मैं अनिरुद्ध को दिया, मोर देन 4 आई थिंक।
बस एक ही जन को, 2 जन को स्प्लिट करके दीजिए।
अभी नहीं, अनिरुद्ध तो मेरा है ना, वो तो ब्रह्मा का काम है ना, तो मेरा ब्रह्मा
I also want to say he's a new member. We'll be inducting him just after this.
Wow. Yes, my name is Pratoy.
Hello, Pratoy.
Hi.
Good welcome for him.
I'm very new here. I'm very happy to see everyone. My company's name is Managify. I handle and I can consult about how you can grow yourself, your business through LinkedIn and other social media. I'm also into marketing strategies, how you can grow your business through, I'm a Gen Z, so it's kind of it, I'm blessed with it. So yeah, I can help you with different marketing strategies throughout the industries, even outside your industries, how you can connect with people and grow, learn and everything. Thank you very much.
Shubhangi, welcome her also after a new chapter in her life.
Thank you. So hello everyone, a very happy new year.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. My name is Shubhangi.
Hello Shubhangi.
Hello Shubhangi. My brand name is MM Mart, where we deal in all kinds of accessories for gents and ladies. Accessories like watches, belts, wallets, shoes, bags, all kind of stuff we deal in. So you can connect with us for any kind of stuff like this. I have one reference for Uttam Ji for an office space. A reference to Jitendra D too. A reference to Julie D as well. And I got a reference from Shamima Di as well. And I also have a reference for Gopal Ji also. Thank you.
Please clap for me.
Shamima, we will welcome our guest for today,
Okay, come. Please come.
Priyam Budhia. I request her to please come forward. We are very honored to have her here today with us to share her expertise and insights and her work. Please welcome Priyam Budhia. I would request Lavanya to please honor our guest. There's a lot to talk about her, which we will do very soon. We were actually going through our presentation where each member comes up and gives a 30-second intro. So if it is okay, we'll just finish that, and then we have a lot to share about you and hear from you as well. So please come and have a seat. Next, Shamima, please come.
I want to see that energy. Please clap for me. I want to hear each and everyone clapping. Well, myself, I am Shamima Khatun. Hello, everyone. So by profession, I am an advocate, and that also a criminal advocate. But apart from that, I am a POSH trainer. So anyone can connect me to a corporate where I can deliver the POSH training. I will be very obliged to each and everyone. So this much about me, and I'll do one-to-one with each and everyone. This is my resolution for this 2026, which I missed 2025 में. Now I have been given reference to Jitendra for the cake. ठीक है? Shubhangi, sure. Shubhangi, look. Naprotoy, I am connecting you with my juniors. Sanjay Bagare ji, as I told you, to help those needy women.
All are needy.
नहीं, no, I'll give you the connect. वो लोग बहुत needy है.
Everybody बहुत needy के पास काम
नहीं. आप सिखाइएगा.
Donation जी उनको.
अच्छा, उत्तम जी के साथ तो मेरी बात हो चुकी है. I will be giving reference to my client, मेरे client के लिए. And Julie, the self reference which is still pending. So these are the 6 reference I'm going to give this year, and I make a resolution. I do it, and I do what I commit. I do it. So this much about me. Thank you very much.
Uttam ji, please come. Then Dolly ji. And then we are left with definitely all of us, and then Vivek ji.
Good evening, members.
Good evening.
Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
मैं भी एक छोटा सा प्रेडिक्शन करना चाहता हूँ और I'm not authorized जुलू जी की तरह, पर मेरे को लगता है ऐसा, it's my gut feeling कि every one of us 2026, since it is a total number 1 जैसा उन्होंने बोला, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग सबको ही अपने बिजनेस में जितना भी हम लोग ने एवरी ईयर काम किया उससे बहुत ज्यादा इस बार धमाका करेंगे. So let us go for it. But एक चीज मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ, बिजनेस करना बहुत अच्छी बात है, बहुत टाइम दीजिए, पर आज के जमाने में ऐसा है कि we should take care of our health. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बिजनेस में अपना हेल्थ को इग्नोर कर देते हैं. सो नहीं करना इस बार. आई एम उत्तम टोडी, मैं रियल एस्टेट में हूँ. हेलो, मैं रियल एस्टेट में हूँ. पैन इंडिया रेसिडेंशियल कमर्शियल लैंड वेयर हाउस, रीसेल हो, रेंटल हो, कुछ भी हो आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. और थोड़ा बहुत दुबई में भी काम करता हूँ, तो वहाँ भी अगर कोई इन्वेस्टर हो जो इन्वेस्ट करके अच्छा पैसा लगा के प्रॉपर्टी में पैसा कमाना चाहता है, तो दुबई में या 3rd मुंबई, these are the 2 places जहाँ पे मैक्सिमम वो कमा सकता है. कलकत्ता में इन्वेस्ट करके उतना नहीं रिटर्न आएगा, पर आएगा, पर वो ये दोनों जगह में रिटर्न इज टू मच. तो इसके लिए आप लोग कनेक्ट करिए मेरे को, और मैं रेफरेंस देने वाला हूँ 5 रेफरेंस एटलीस्ट. आज मुझे 2 प्राइज मिलने वाला है. मेरे को अर्ली बर्ड का मिलने वाला है, मैं सबसे पहले आया और मैं मैक्सिमम रेफरेंस दे रहा हूँ. लॉटरी है तो कोई बात नहीं, वो भी कहते रहेगा. 5 रेफरेंस देना है गोपाल जी को, और मिनिमम 10 रेफरेंस दे रहा हूँ मैं डॉली जी को, एंड 1 रेफरेंस टू अनिरुद्ध जी. थैंक यू.
Happy New Year to all.
Happy New
After
Year.
a long time, I'm here and it's very energizing. So my category now, I'm into new category. I'm into home furnishings. As you, most of you people know that कि मेरा store है इमामी market में, and we deal in premium qualities of cushion covers, bedsheets, curtains, everything, and handcrafted item. Do visit my store to experience. This is, I can vouch, this is the only type of store in Kolkata. Thank you.
We are left with our visitor today. Yeah, please come forward. And after that, Vivek Shukla is here. Yeah.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Ranveer Das.
Hello.
From Ram Musakil Company. उसके बाद ट्राईसाइकिल पैराम्बुलेटर घुमाने के लिए बाहर, और उसके बाद अभी ईवी बाइक जो है छोटी बच्चे की बाइक वगैरह, कार्स वगैरह एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा, यही काम करते हैं। इसे बॉन्ड बेबी से 5-6 साल तक मेरे पास मिलेगा। शॉप है और मेरा होलसेल नेटवर्क भी है। ऐसा अभी स्टार्ट, हाँ फर्स्ट टाइम मैं एक्चुअली गेस्ट हिसाब से आ रहा हूँ, फर्स्ट टाइम। देखता हूँ, इच्छा है बाद में और जोड़ने के लिए। थैंक यू।
look forward कि आप हमें ज्वाइन करें।
Good evening, Ivio. Good evening. And thanks, Laksh ji, for inviting me. So myself Vivek Shukla and my company name is hello everyone. My company name is Sri Swastika Enterprises. We deal in computer, laptop, printer, sales and service. So anything related to that, you can please connect me. Thank you.
Well, it's not yet over. 3 more people are left. We 3 here. So let's start with Ashok ji.
सबको युवा नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
तो मैं अशोक कपूर
हेलो अशोक जी।
ट्रैवल ट्रेजर्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ। आपका बिजनेस ट्रैवल हो, आपका लीजर ट्रैवल हो, आप हमसे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं अक्रॉस द ग्लोब। तो इस साल जैसे सबके लिए बिजनेस और इनोवेशन का जैसा साल है, तो हम उम्मीद करेंगे तो हम ज़्यादा कनेक्ट बनाएंगे और हमारी ईवो फैमिली को और बड़ा करेंगे। तो हम बड़ा ट्रैवल बनाएंगे और सब लोग साथ में घूमने जाएंगे। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
Hello, I am Sanjay Bagaria.
Hello, Sanjay ji.
सबसे पहले I am doing a lot of business with EVO family. बिंदु जी, thank you so much. बहुत पैसे कमा रहा हूँ मैं। With the help, trust me, equity and commodity, सोना और चांदी में। ठीक, she is great. Lovely cakes order I have given to जितेंद्र जी, जो रेगुलर जाएगा। And और बिजनेस किसको दिया मैंने? विवेक जी, आपके पास कंफर्म बिजनेस है। मैं रेफरेंस दिया, which is a confirmed business. उत्तम जी, waiting for the deal to mature. और मैं इनको 2 अच्छे रेफरेंस भी दिए। और इनके साथ मैं बहुत बड़ा डील कर रहा हूँ। बाली इंडोनेशिया का ट्रैवल प्लान, इट विल बी अ बिग बिजनेस, आई थिंक मोर देन 50 lakhs। ये बिजनेस में जाने वाला है। मधुचंद्र जी का मैं चाय कॉफी रेगुलर पीता हूँ। और माया शर्मा जी अब नहीं है, बट आई गिवन बिजनेस टू हर। और मैं कई लोगों को बिजनेस, मुझे देने में ज्यादा मजा आ रहा होता है, उसमें मेरा बहुत फायदा हो रहा होता है। एज फार एज मोदी केयर जिसमें मैं डील करता हूँ, उसमें माय कंज्यूमर, माय यूजर इज लक्ष्य जी, इज अ रेगुलर यूजर। विवेक जी हैज आल्सो जस्ट स्टार्टेड। मैं आपको बताता हूँ, आई एम इन डायरेक्ट सेलिंग। आई वांटेड सम बिग मनी लाइफ टाइम। Part time, I wanted to earn in crores. So I am earning crores, but मजा ये है कि मेरे साथ बहुत से कॉमन है men and women who are making 10 लाख से 1 CR a year. At least 300 लोग ऐसे हैं जो 10 लाख से 1 CR कमा रहे हैं। सभी needy हैं। I was needy for 2 crore, 5 crore. किसका कितना need है उस डिपेंडिंग ऑन कमाना है। अगर आपको भी 10 लाख 50 लाख कमाना है, trust me, people are not aware of the power of direct selling, and we are one of the largest company. We are leading in wellness. We are leading in beauty and color. Once you see our store and see our product, you'll go mad. People are not aware. Lack of awareness. So even I know Vibha Chawla ji, we met on some platform.
Yeah.
We'll talk after the meet. She has met once. So I can tell you, if you want to be a great user, we have got great products at great price. And if you want a business जो आपका additional diversification हो, your goal should be minimum 10 lakhs plus. उसके नीचे मैं टच नहीं करता किसी को personally, ठीक है? So it can be done if you have a patience, we can make it. Thank you so much. Just forgot. I'm also the client of Preeti ji. I'm in the process of writing a book. Complete नहीं हुआ अभी. होगा, इस साल होगा, वो publish होगा.
This
Thank
year,
you.
EVO will see great books coming from their members. Hello everyone, myself Preeti Dhanuka.
Hello Preeti ji.
Hello. I firmly believe that being a part of the divine, we are all born to shine, and that is why I founded Born to Shine. And as the new year has begun, what we miss out on is the resolutions. बनाते हैं, तोड़ देते हैं. And with that, That's the reason why I came up, because मैं भी यही करती थी. Now, how can we create resolutions, which is going to be one of our activity today? One resolution that you have to make, decide for yourself, and then continue. And this is a kind of a guide that helps you understand why we cannot stick on to it, and how you can stick on to it. Even those methods are mentioned here. What you need to follow, everything is mentioned. So, being an author, soon I realized that if I can write, there are many others who can write. I understood the gaps and tried to fill that up. So, being along with being a mindset coach, I help professionals write book. We have the book for Lakshya, the Evo Connect book, and then Sanjay ji is coming up, Anirudh ji is coming up with his book, and many more are about to come. So yes, that is what I do. I also ghost write, partner write. I can write for you if you don't feel confident enough or don't have the time enough to write for yourself. So that's what I am doing. Thank you so much. We have introduced all ourselves here, but the most, a great thing about this evening is the young intrapreneur that we have here today, who has taken time out for us. And she is none other than Priyam Budhia. She has achieved a lot, and we have lots to learn from her. We will soon hear from her what she has been doing and what she can share with us, which will guide us also to grow. So she is representing Patton and India globally. She won the Family Business Network Next Gen Lombard Odia People's Choice Award in 2020 for her entrepreneurship project Embracing Green. She has spoken on multiple platforms such as TEDx, Horatius India, and is the only woman from Eastern India to be featured in a British Council inspiring UK alumni documentary. She is also the co-founder of I Can Fly Tea Cafe, run by special needs individuals. That's an amazing cafe, and they are doing such wonderful job, such a noble thing. At Patton, Priyam launched a sustainability vertical which concentrates on water conservation initiatives, water on wheels, roller tanks, and rainwater harvesting to empower women and children in rural India. Across West Bengal, Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, and Rajasthan, 194 plus of the rainwater harvesting installations have touched over 1 million lives, and the water on wheels roller tanks have reached 3,000 plus villages, touching 2 million lives. What a wonderful achievement it is. She has several other verticals, innovations. She has also developed the contactless safe hand wash station during the fight against COVID-19. So today, however, what was a hand wash station ordered by UNICEF are being dispatched to 3 states, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. And there's a lot more which I can go on and on, because I have actually received and gone through her profile, and it's a huge list of awards and recognitions. To name a few, she has been awarded the Sustainability Through Water Conservation for Sustainability Through Water Conservation and Transforming Rural Lives. So she's got the HRD India Award in association with Economic Times, the Global Award for Project Embracing Green, Women Leadership Award for Peyton Group, Devi Award for Dynamism and Innovation, YFLO Inspire Award for Peyton Group, and many more. So I would request Priyamji to please address and share her journey and also give us some tips and insights as to how to grow. Thank you.
No, you can sit and talk.
Good evening everyone. मैं क्या बोलूँ, आपने तो सभी बोल दिया मेरे बारे में. So good evening everyone. Firstly, thank you so much for inviting me here this evening. It's an honor to be here amongst all of you, and it was really nice to listen to all the little things and businesses that each one runs here. I think, since I work a lot in the field of sustainability and water conservation, I do believe that every drop counts. So everything that each one of you do, every drop counts. Every single drop counts. So just to share a little insight into my journey, my story. I'm a Calcutta, born girl. I went to school here in Calcutta, Loreto House, till grade 12. Then I went to La Martiniere. And then I was studying in the UK at the University of Nottingham. There I was doing my management studies for 3 years. Thereafter, I joined LSE. And at the LSE, I was doing some entrepreneurship courses. Right after that, I, decided there was always an opportunity to come back home to India, to Calcutta, and work in my family business. But I had this kira inside me that, I need to prove it to myself and get a job, in London, which is a really fast-paced city, and work in a fast-paced environment, such as banking. So therefore, I joined one of the top 3 investment banks at that point of time, called Lehman Brothers. After lots of interviews, managed to get, a job with Lehman Brothers. So that was a very proud moment for me to start my career. But imagine, so the first job that I got with Lehman Brothers was in 2008. This is exactly when the global financial crisis hit, the credit crunch happened, and I lost my job, my first ever job, in 1 week. So this was this little girl who's come out of college, so excited, with new clothes and a new, hope to start a job, and then in 1 week I lose my job. Anyway, so after 1 week of losing the job, I decided that, either I can cry and be sad and, go back home to India, which is like take the easy route, or I can stay there in London and apply for more jobs till I land myself another one. So it was a very difficult time to get another job because of the, it was a credit crisis. So people were only losing jobs. No one was offering jobs. So I, went for some, 200, 300 applications. I was obsessed कि मेरे को job चाहिए ही चाहिए, चाहे जो भी हो जाए. And at the cost of, my parents not being happy with me at all, I was like, जो भी है, मुझे job चाहिए तो चाहिए. And then I stayed on there for almost, I think, September I lost my job. From October to February, I stayed there for almost 4-5 months. Just, interviews के बाद interviews, getting rejected because jobs ही इतने कम थे. And finally, when my bags were packed and my mom and dad had given me that एकदम वो final parents का जो deadline होता है ना कि बहुत time waste कर लिया, you can't stay back anymore, बहुत हो गया है, sort of a situation. So I went for my last interview with Barclays Capital, and that was the only job interview I had not prepared for. Because itna preparation kiya, rejections aa rahe, I'm like, what's the point? So I just went for an essay for the last interview. But my bags were packed to go back to India. And I felt my interview was not bad. It was pretty decent. I came back home and I was like, kya hone wala? Will I get this job or am I going to India tomorrow? Like, my life is going to change. And at that point of time, I was on the phone with my mom and she's like, Beta, I hope bags are packed, kal to, flight hai, I hope you're ready. And I'm like, And then on that same call, I get a call wait from Barclays. And I don't know what's going to happen on this call. And then they also talk in a very dheere awaaz ki samajh nahi aa raha kya bolne wale. They're like, we are pleased to let you know that you have landed yourself this job and you can start in March, in 1 week's time. And it was such a moment for me that I went back to my mom and I'm like, I'm not coming back, I've got a job. And they were both happy and unhappy, but happier that I landed the job. And then I continued working with Barclays for 2 years in London. Stayed in Canary Wharf. It was amazing. It was quite a tough job, but it was great to get that experience because I think when you work in a job in that sort of an environment, it really teaches you professionalism, basic corporate ethics, and it just makes you very grounded as a person. So that's what it did to me. Right after that, after 2 years was complete, I decided I was offered a permanent job with Barclays, but then I decided that banking is not really me. This black and white world of numbers, I'm not very experienced ho gaya, but I'm not feeling very interested to continue doing this. And I'm somebody who prefers entrepreneurship, creating something new. That's what is really, ticking me. That's what I want to do. So at that point of time, I actually applied for some other jobs because I decided to leave Barclays and apply for some other jobs with startups and, sort of strategy and marketing firms and advertising firms. So I get that creative juices flowing. And I actually landed myself a job with, again, 3 more companies in London where I would get a massive pay cut because from finance to, moving to a startup, you would be losing a lot. But I was ready for that because I wanted the exposure. I landed myself 3 jobs, but at that point of time, my parents, they made an amazing sales pitch to bring me back to India. Amazing sales pitch, I must say. Ek taraf se, my dad's telling me that, see beta, if you come back to India, then, you won't just be in Calcutta because, we have all these, because we're into manufacturing and exports, and we have international clients. You'll be flying all the time, you'll be dealing with the international clients, and, you can really grow the business, you are the boss. And, through various people in the company, they would call me every 5 days, with a presentation ready and, giving me a sales pitch, ki how amazing your life will be if you come back to India. And at the same time, my mom, I would like to share that I have a younger sister who is actually a special needs individual. And by special needs, I mean that she has ADHD, which is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. She also has bipolar and low IQ. So my mom is actually a psychotherapist and counselor. And she had ideas of starting an institute of mental health called Caring Minds. And, it's because of that, she was like, if you come back to India, she wanted an emotional support also because of my sister. And she felt that, I can join her venture and help her there as well. So, ek taraf se it was, an emotional mom calling you. Ek taraf se it was dad giving the best sales pitch in the world. And ek taraf se yahan 3 jobs hai. So, I was like, what do I do? And at this point, I just decided that, opportunity lay in the east and I can really do a lot if I come back to India versus take up these jobs. So that's why I made that call, made that transition to move back to India, which was not easy for me at all because, I lived in the UK for almost 6-7 years and having done that, then suddenly moving back to Calcutta and har cheez mein ek different culture hota hai, different systems, different way of doing things. So it was not easy for me for sure. I think it took me at least minimum 2 years to, readjust myself back to the way things work here. Because I feel in the West, in the UK, things are more process and system driven. And in India, I feel that things are now becoming more process and system driven, but it's a lot people driven and emotion driven. Jo wahan nahi hota hai, wahan it's very, very process and system oriented. So that was a big change. And then also the cultural mindset that what will this young girl who is, see, in my family business, everyone is double my age. So they just feel ki this young girl, what will she do? What will she teach us? What will she, so, and also most of the people are not just double my age, they are also men. So I'm working in a male dominated industry, being a woman, trying to prove yourself and also for people to take you seriously. So it's a challenge. And you can't just come and sit down there in the boss's chair and be like, hey, I'm the boss's daughter, so take me seriously. You don't really earn respect in that way. Earning respect is, like bit by bit and by really working hard and proving that, you are worth it. You're not just sitting there just because you're the boss's daughter. I never wanted that. So that's when let's come to the topic, which is, what I'm here to talk upon, which is sustainability. So we are essentially into, the core traditional businesses, manufacturing of plastics and steel. In plastics, we manufacture water storage tanks, PVC pipes, dustbins, crates, pallets, etc., which is for the Indian market. So since we were already in the business of manufacturing water storage tanks, I actually decided that let me start a sustainability vertical in the company. Because I personally really care about, firstly, water is very close to me. I care about water conservation. As I said, every drop counts, and also a lot about sustainability. And this is when we started, we installed solar rooftops in our plant in Bihara. We also have rolled out this project and installed solar rooftops in our biggest and latest plant in Bengal, which is Uluberia. And all the units that is generated is actually used for captive consumption. We don't route it back to the grid. it's all used for captive consumption instead of using traditional electricity. So this is one way that we are sustainable. And just by saying, there's so many companies that say, that in their mission statement or vision that we follow sustainable practices in our company, and they have like sort of they talk about sustainability. They also say that we have a sustainability policy. But how many people are actually besides having a policy theoretically, actually practically implementing that policy in their company? So I felt that's when I wanted to practically implement the policy in the company. So this is when the first project which I spoke about is the solar rooftop projects that we have done in Bengal. We don't, just to clarify, we don't do this for other people. मतलब हम दूसरे लोगों के लिए solar rooftop projects नहीं लगाते हैं, हम अपने लिए लगाए थे just to make our our working and our functioning more sustainable. Besides that, I think, as per the profile that's been read out, you all already know the work I do in sustainability, so no point repeating that. But I would like to share not what I do, but mainly the story and the why behind what I do and why I do that. So when I came back from the UK, UK is a developed country, and even before that, when I was living here in a city, in an urban city, water was something which was very readily available. We open the tap, we waste water, water is running and flowing. कोई कमी नहीं है पानी का कहीं पर भी, whether it's drinking water, whether it is water to wash your hands or clean the utensils or wash your clothes. When you live in an urban city, none of us feel that paucity of water, right? So, and especially here, I've just come back from the UK and I'm feeling like, come back from a privileged, sort of a setup. And I decided to go back home to visit my nanny, that is Geeta. She's who had brought me up. And she lives in that little town called Sonarpur. I just come back from the UK back for good to India. And I thought that ek din I'll just go meet my nanny because she's no longer working with us. And how is she doing? So when I went back to the village and to meet Geeta, I saw that thode der baad, her daughter and daughter-in-law, they all came in and they said to Geeta ki, let's go to the other end of the village to fetch water. And I was surprised. I'm like, what are they saying? Let's go to the other end of the village to fetch water. In urban cities, we have piped water access all the time. Tap, kholo pani nikal jata hai. So why walk to the other end? So I was very surprised at this whole thing. And then they handed each other jerry cans and buckets, and then I decided ki, let me go along with them to see that what is the mechanism of them fetching water. They actually spent a lot of time and they walked to the other end of the village to fetch water, and they were carrying water, by the side of their waist, on top of their heads. And when they came back with that water, half of the water fell out. The water was getting contaminated. It caused head and spinal injuries, and the attendance of the girl child in the schools was decreasing because all they were doing every day was fetching water. They were not being employed because all they were again doing is just fetching water. So this really left an impact upon me, and then I decided to go back home, back to the company that I work with, which is my family business, and sat with my team, and we innovated a new product, which is a 90-liter water storage tank called the roller tank or the water on wheels. And this, obviously, my technical team really, helped come up with this solution. And we then rolled out this project across 5 states, starting with West Bengal, across multiple villages and districts in Bengal, and then to Bihar, Orissa, Jharkhand, and Rajasthan. And what's happened is that what I essentially wanted to do was not just solve the problem of my Geeta, but solve the problem of all the Geetas in the country India, right? And by introducing, thank you. So by introducing this roller tank, firstly, it's a horizontal, so the tank is generally a vertical tank. This is a horizontal 90-liter tank. You can roll this like a wheelbarrow, and it has a lid and a handle. So by doing this, what happens is that earlier only women were going to fetch water. Now, because it's like a wheelbarrow, men were also going along with the women to fetch water. So this brought about women equality, firstly. Secondly, women were earlier going only alone. So this causes concerns about women's safety. And now, because men were going, they were safer. So there was not just gender equality, but there was women's safety as well. Besides that, the hospital costs went down because, as I mentioned, carrying buckets meant head and spinal injuries. Now they were just rolling a tank, so none of that was happening. Also, the attendance of the girl child in the schools were improving. Women were now getting employment opportunities. They were doing micro businesses like making achars, handicrafts, all of that. And besides that, earlier, women and girls, the girl child, they were walking once every day minimum to fetch water. That meant 365 days a year. Whereas now, with the roller tank, they were walking once a week to fetch water. So that meant they're walking 52 days versus 365 days a year. And that's the amount of time, extra time they had to pursue their educational and economic opportunities. So I think this was a 360 solution for not just economic benefits, but health benefits and overall state and country benefits. So this was one of the sustainability practices that we introduced as a company. Anyone who's interested to explore this, like a lot of people ask me that how is this project funded? So if either state governments or corporates, everyone has to do their 2% CSR. They can do a collaboration with us, and that's how they can fund it, and they adopt villages, and then we roll this out and work in partnership and roll this out across various villages and states. So this is one of the projects besides the solar rooftops that I mentioned. The third project is we also do a lot of rainwater harvesting projects. I would like to share that rainwater harvesting, is not complex at all. It's really, really simple. Anyone can install that in their own residential apartment, commercial complex, factory, kahin par bhi, education institute, hospital, it can be put anywhere. And it's just a great way to repurpose water. वो rain water जो गिर के waste होने वाला है, उसको आप वापस reuse कर रहे हो. And if that is filtered well, it can be used for drinking purposes as well. Not just for cleaning and washing, but drinking purposes as well. So we've done a lot of rainwater harvesting projects in Sundarban schools, in areas which have water paucity like Bankura, Purulia, Bardhaman, etc. So this is the third project. And lastly is something which is very close to my heart because I worked on this project during COVID, when we were all stuck at home and ज़्यादा कुछ करने को नहीं था. So we came up with this project called the contactless hand wash station. Very difficult to sort of describe this without an image, but it's basically like we put a tank on a MS steel ka stand, and then we attach a detachable basin to it and also a soap tank. And then there are pedals. So what happens is we install this in public places. You press one pedal, the soap comes out. You press the other pedal and water comes out. So then you wash your hand with soap and water before you enter any public place or before you meet anyone. So we had actually launched this like a COVID safety product, which then became more of a sanitation, like a water hygiene product. Even after COVID has, left us, and hopefully it will never come back again. This project has been rolled out. Oxfam has adopted it, and even UNICEF has adopted this and has been rolled out to multiple states in India, such as Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, etc. So these are just some sustainable projects that I have helped sort of grow and initiate in my company, and therefore I strongly believe that sustainability should not just be a leadership policy, but it should actually be implemented. And I would just like to end by saying what I started, saying that every drop counts. So please don't waste water. Please conserve water. Please preserve water. Thank you so much for having me.
That was really wonderful, and we are so honored to have you. A big round of applause for you. A big round of applause. For all the noble causes and all the innovations, and it's wonderful. It's really wonderful. So with this, we move on to the next, that is inducting a new member. And I would request Sanjay ji, our president, to induct and felicitate our new member and incorporate. So Pratar, please come up. Now you are officially a part of this family. He's doing a wonderful job.
And I will be a client. I want a LinkedIn profile.
Sure.
I've got a lot of professional.
He's doing wonderful job with my profile.
So I'll call you for you.
And EVO. So he's already getting business from EVO, and he's doing a wonderful job.
Welcome to the family.
Meet to a new member. I must say, ma'am, you are amazing. Save water is very close to all of us. When I see my tap should not leak even one drop. I'm very particular. If my wife sometimes she's careless, I'm ready. Trust me, save water is the biggest thing you all should do. Even Sadhguru is working a lot on saving water. So whatever she is doing is simply mind blowing. But more than we can say a big hand to her. And we must connect you, ma'am, if you can be in some way associated with you.
Thank you.
Great. What's the Okay. Okay, friends. You don't leave.
No, I'm because
Early bird?
ask our guest to do the
Any-
then pick up.
your
on
name
it.
is there?
No, my name is not there.
Friends, we have got the early bird offer. Offer means नहीं. जो लोग समय पे आ रहे हैं ना, तो हम कुछ छोटा गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं. मेरी कंपनी को बता दो what is the offer. This is a cold drink, one of the best. If you don't win the gift, you can buy this gift. And this is the sunscreen, SPF 30. So, ma'am, please take a. अच्छा मैं ये ला रहा हूँ. 5 दिन कहीं टाइम पे आए थे. Please take a lucky portion.
I think you should give one, like two person. One product.
तो वैसा intended नहीं. Let the lucky one. अच्छा, 2 कर दे क्या बोलते सब लोग? 2 कर दे?
नया साल नया
Okay, the first one is Vibha.
Wow.
She will select a gift. You get the chance to select. Vibha, you can have. Wow, that's great. You're so lucky. You want a cold cream or a sunscreen? You can't get both. I have a cold cream, lovely. Thank you so much. Ma'am, we need one more lucky person. एक साथ दे देंगे. बंदा इस कमरे में नहीं है. वॉशरूम गया, बुकिंग कर दे क्या? उत्तम टोडी.
वो उत्तम की बोली थी
वो बोला था हमने कि फर्स्ट है. But he is not in the room. Can we disqualify him? No. अरे उत्तम जी बुलाओ. उत्तम जी आपका गिफ्ट उठ गया. बधाई हो. तो पहले ही बोला मैं सही होगा.
डेट 2027 को आप मिल लेना दादा कैसे
सनस्क्रीन ना ये खाली मेल के लिए भी है.
जरूरत है मेरा बहुत ड्राई स्किन है.
ड्राई के लिए सनस्क्रीन ड्राई के लिए बहुत पिक्चर लेने के आइए
स्किन ड्राई दिख रहा है.
हो गया.
पकड़िए तो
You can come in the center and you can give it.
Okay, officially check. हाथ लगा दो.
Come join. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So with this, please rise for national anthem. Please rise for national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की
जय। Your new members, no?
नेक्स्ट मीटिंग डेट इज
21st. Friends, our next meeting date is 21st January. The venue will be Niharika. Wow, wonderful.
And future presentation will be given by
क्या फिर बोले?
Future presentation.
Hello.
Future presentation will be given by Vinduji on 21st.
Oh, 21st.
Yeah.
21st